Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's February 7th, 2011. Well, this morning we got grain markets higher. It looks like we're going to be higher on the opening and higher across the board. The outside markets, however, not really giving us much support right now. We got the dollar up 15, crude's down about 22 cents. Gold is up a little bit, and stock market's a little bit higher. The cotton market also is something that we've been watching closely here lately, and it has backed off from its stronger trade here this morning. We were up $4 and some cents at one time this morning. We're only up a couple dollars as we speak. The news not plentiful here this morning. We do have the USDA's monthly supply demand report coming out on Wednesday morning at 7:30. I think the trade's going to be focusing on that here for the next couple days. We might see some profit taking, but very limited profit taking, because in general most of the trade is looking for a reduction in ending stocks of corn, soybeans, and wheat, and some very tight ending stocks in corn with potential stocks to usage ratios of near 5%, which is extremely low. And you can get all the details on that by taking a look at the Allendale on the go, and actually the Allendale wake-up call that we send out to everybody in the morning has a chart that describes some of that information. Other news, we got Goldman roll starting here today. Trade is expecting only 1,500 contracts or so per day in the next 5 days there. Nothing major. We did have the CFTC report, Commitment of Traders report, out on Friday afternoon. Showed that funds are very long. They're right near the record open interest as far as the net position between futures and options in corn, very close to the record on that. So they certainly haven't backed away from the market and continue to build long positions in all the grains. So that continues. The wheat market had some export business here over the weekend that helped support it. Egypt came in, bought 170,000 tons of wheat. Only 55 of it came from the U.S., however. Turkey supposedly is tendering for 300,000 tons of optional origin wheat. Hopefully the U.S. will get some of that business as well. They are normally a buyer from Russia, and of course Russia is not allowing any exports to take place here for until at least July, but there is talks that they may open that ban on exports, but nothing solid yet to go on. So looking for grain markets to stay strong. We had a strong close on Friday. Would expect to see follow through here this morning. In the livestock trade, we had cutout values of beef were lower on Friday, 94 cents lower in choice, $1.02 lower in the select. We expect products to stay under some pressure here. The snowstorm has certainly caused some clearance problems in the retail, and also has caused some backup problems at the packing plants. Just because we couldn't sell it, because we can't get it there is another reason. So we've got to deal with some of the logistical issues in cleaning up beef inventories, and we think that could press the market here a little bit. Cash cattle trade, we expect to be quiet here early week, and wait for later on to see how the futures and the cash product markets doing here toward the end of the week. In the hogs, cutout values were down 31 cents. Cash market steady firm here. Some plants still need hogs early in the week to meet the slaughter needs. The producers are digging out and continuing to dig out. It caused some delay in movement of livestock here, so we should be back to a more normal pace there today. See a normal slaughter. and expect to see some strength in the futures as we close strong here on Friday. The funds continue to increase their long positions in hogs. Over 6,300 contracts last week was an addition to where they have been in the pork complex. So it looks like overall commodities continue to be bought by the funds, investments, and so forth. So it appears to we're going to stay there until we get some change, and that change probably is going to have to come either in the dollar or get some better idea on planting intentions, especially in corn and soybeans, of how many acres we might get there. So that'll be the biggest focus that we have once we get through this USDA report this week. So if you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd be happy to try to answer them for you. I will be out in Iowa here this week speaking for the Great Western Bank, and we hope to see many of you there. You can take a look at our website to get the details of where these locations are. Be happy to visit with you out there. So have a great day, successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.